usual, we're massively early. They open at 10 o'clock. I don't think our train's till 11, but we'll see. Might be able to get on an earlier one anyway. There's a bit of rail here. You can see it's narrow gauge. So. Right, to the trains.
Hear the train, T.
Yeah, it said that the railway started about 40 years ago, and they were looking obviously for a tourist attraction, so they decided to build this. Most of this has been built, but it was on the site of an existing. Yeah.
So we can look at the workshop if we've got time, or head up to the platform.
Yeah. The workshop. That's some lathe there. Good grief.
Wow.
Press as well. And there's a locomotive in there. Oh my goodness. Just obviously getting the carriages ready by the looks of it. I just missed it going out. Catch it in a minute. Both the locomotives were built in Philadelphia in the USA. A gift shop at the top here.
Thought it was another cafe, but it's not.
Oh, there's a little model here. Can you have a look at that?
Yeah.
You can untangle me.
Tara's wrapped herself around Poppy.
Oh wow, look at this. That's brilliant. Thank you. Here it comes. Hey, shush.
Come on, you come down.
All right.
Go on.
That's great. So the site was chosen on the abandoned Brecon and Merthyr Railway, which originally opened in 1859 and finally closed in 1964. Fought its way through the Brecon beacons using gradients, and the Topantau tunnel at 1,313 feet above sea level is the highest railway tunnel in Great Britain. 5 miles stretch between Pant and Topantau seemed suitable, but difficulties were soon found. Scrap merchants had not only removed the track but also the bridge girders and the manhole covers. Ballast had been taken for road materials and no buildings remained except for the shell of the signal box at Pont-Tydfil and the station house, which was used as a sheep shelter. It was then discovered that the only part of the railway still in the hands of British Rail was one bridge abutment, which they had readily agreed to sell. By 1978, various plannings and other consents had been obtained, and the construction with the rebuilding of the station house and conversion of adjoining waiting room to a small workshop. Then came a tin shed for storage, and the work started in replacement of the 7 bridges between Pant and Pont-Tydfil. Track laying commenced in 1979, but delayed for 2 months whilst the landslide was filled in with demolished terraced houses from Merthyr Tydfil. Here we are. Yeah, it says Baldwin Locomotive number 2. It was built in 1930 in the US, in Philadelphia. Spent all its life hauling limestone. 1973 it ran away driverless, derailed and was wrecked. Treated as an accident write-off by the South African insurers and purchased by the railway as salvage. And it was rebuilt between 93 and 97. Weighs 47 tonnes and is capable of hauling the heaviest trains to Topantau. Yeah, here's the sheds. good, isn't it? So I suppose this carriage really is like an old American caboose car, isn't it?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
I assume this is American as well then, this one?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Caboose, do they call it?
Yep. That's what the Americans call a guard's carriage, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Too warm for you, innit? It's all right for us, we can take our coats off.
You can't, can you?
Yeah, she wants to get on.
We can take our coats off, you can't.
Yeah, we're going to be in this carriage here, just at these seats at the back. That's good. See, it's a bit cosy, this, isn't it?
Knees are knocking.
So the train is pretty full today, so it's going to be packed in here, so kids are off. Oh, it's all right. No, you stay there, you're all right there. Alright, Pops.
was originally part of the standard gauge Brecon Mountain Railway, which was closed by British Rail in 1964.
Taf Fechan reservoir.
Hello again. We are now approaching Kon-Tiki station. The train may stop here briefly for operational reasons. All passengers should remain on the train. We'll be stopping here for 35 minutes on the return journey. Thank you.
You say 35 minutes?
On the return journey.
The railway was built in 1927 to provide for the local wine factories. It holds 3,400 million gallons, or over 15,000 million litres. Its construction flooded a vicarage, a chapel, some cottages, and land belonging to 8 farms. During times of drought, some of these buildings can still be seen. Looking north, you can see the 3 peaks of the Brecon Beacons. Tydfil is the highest in South Wales at 2,906 feet, or 886 metres. The 2 adjacent peaks are Kon-Tiki to the left and Cribin to the right.
Is that Bobby squeaking?
Yeah, stop it.
Do you want to look at? Yeah, this is the end of the line.
Boys and girls, watch the engine.
Definitely should have written Casey Jones' hatch, shouldn't it?
Yeah, should have done, yeah.
Alright, come on then. Cross the lines.
Come on then, Tim. Right.
Yep.
Bit cooler than yesterday.
Off we go. Going back.
Refreshments, cakes, and ice creams. There are also picnic tables that overlook the reservoir and a children's play area, as well as toilets. Passengers wishing to return by a later train should inform the guard and confirm the return train departure time. Thank you.
Little camera ticket. It's good. Bobby.
to run on rails. Thank you for travelling with us today. We hope you enjoyed your visit and hope to see you again in the future. For further information on the railway, please visit our website at www.bmr.wales. Please ensure you have all your belongings with you when you leave the train and have a safe onward journey. Thank you.
Come in. Try this.
Why are you playing? It feels like rain, but it's the steam from the steam engine.
Ah, some cracking views here. Got the sea down there. I think they repair lawnmowers and rollers and things there, so